back to Homes Decor Designs, your go-to channel for creating spaces you absolutely love. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Ever looked at your pristine lawn and thought, there has to be a better way to get to the gazebo than wading through the wet grass? Well, there is. It's time to talk about the often overlooked hero of the garden, the stepping stone pathway. They're not just rocks on the lawn, they're a design statement. Today we're not just showing you beautiful paths, we're giving you 10 best stepping stone pathway ideas and all the know-how to make them happen. Trust me, by the end of this, you'll be ready to ditch the dirt path and step up your garden game. Let's dive in. First off, let's be straightforward. What exactly is a stepping stone pathway? Simply put, it's a non-continuous path made up of individual stones, pavers, or slabs, usually set directly into the ground, grass, or mulch. Unlike a solid sidewalk or a continuous walkway, stepping stones allow the surrounding landscape material, be it grass, gravel, or ground cover, to show through and connect the path to the environment. They guide you visually and physically through a space, offering a functional, beautiful, and often more natural look than a solid concrete slab. They are the punctuation marks of your garden design. You might think it's just about getting from point A to point B, but the benefits of a stepping stone pathway are much broader. A key advantage is lawn protection and reduced erosion. By giving you a solid place to step, you stop foot traffic from compacting your soil and wearing a trench through your beautiful lawn, especially in high-traffic areas or after a rain shower. They are also incredibly flexible and cost-effective compared to pouring an entire concrete patio or laying a brick walkway. The non-continuous nature requires fewer materials and less labor, making it a fantastic DIY project. From a design perspective, stepping stones offer unparalleled aesthetic versatility. Whether you have a rustic cottage garden or a super sleek modern landscape, there's a material and pattern that will perfectly complement your home. They can gently lead the eye, create a sense of mystery as they wind around a corner, or serve as a strong, minimalist anchor in a chaotic garden. Function and fashion all in one. Now for the fun part, decorating. A great pathway is more than just the stones themselves. You can transform a simple path into a design destination. The key is the infill material, the stuff between the stones. Don't just settle for grass. Try filling the gaps with decorative gravel or crushed rock for a maintenance-free, textured look. For a softer English garden feel, plant low-growing ground covers like creeping thyme or moss. These are tough plants that can handle a little foot traffic and they smell amazing. Another excellent decor tip is pathway lighting. Tucking solar-powered spike lights right alongside the path not only makes it safer at night but also gives your garden a magical, moody glow. Finally, frame the path with strategically placed elements like small boxwood shrubs, large decorative planters, or contrasting mulch and border plants to make the path feel intentional and designed. The right material makes all the difference for longevity and style. Here are the top contenders for stepping stone pathways. First, natural flagstone. These are irregular, flat stones, like slate or sandstone. They are the champion of the organic, natural look, blending seamlessly into any garden. They are durable, but they are generally the priciest option. Second, concrete pavers or slabs. The go-to for a modern, minimalist aesthetic. They come in uniform, square, or rectangular shapes, are highly durable, easy to install, and very budget-friendly. Great for creating grid or linear patterns. Third, slate. A beautiful, dark, fine-grained stone. It has a smooth, wet-look texture that's excellent for contemporary or Asian-inspired gardens. It can be slippery when wet, so ensure your path has good drainage. Fourth, crushed gravel or pebbles. While not the stone itself, it's a vital pairing. Use contrasting gravel like white marble or dark river rock as the filler between larger stones for a highly decorative and stable base. Alright, let's get to the inspiration. Here are the top 10 best stepping stone pathway ideas to show your landscape exactly what it's been missing. 1. The simple lawn scatter. A perfect DIY starter path. Moderately sized, natural cut stones are simply scattered and set slightly below the grass level on a standard lawn. The path feels organic and unobtrusive, serving a purely functional purpose without dominating the landscape. It's low cost, quick to install, and still protects your lawn from wear. 2. The dark slate and pebble path. This look combines function and high contrast. Large, dark, wet-look slate stones are surrounded by warm, multicolored river pebbles or gravel. This is excellent for high-humidity areas as the gravel provides fantastic drainage. The contrast in color and texture, smooth, dark stone against small, bright pebbles, is dramatic and truly elevates the space. 3. The classic checkerboard path. A Mediterranean-inspired, formal approach. Here, uniformly sized square pavers are set into a perfectly manicured lawn, creating a precise checkerboard effect. This idea works best for long, straight, or gently curving paths where a sense of order is desired. The lush green grass between the stones softens the look, and the use of accent lighting makes it stunning at night. 4. The modern grid with blooming ground cover pop. This path perfectly blends modern geometry with wild, natural color. Large, square white pavers are set with minimal spacing, but instead of grass, the space is filled with a dense, colorful ground cover like creeping thyme. The result is a vibrant purple ribbon weaving through a crisp, clean pathway. It's high drama, low maintenance, and makes a serious design impact. 5. The minimalist floating path. If less is more, this is the path for you. Simple, rectangular concrete slabs are placed with wide spacing across a vibrant green lawn. The stones seem to float, requiring the user to take deliberate steps. It's ultra-modern, very clean, and excellent for shorter distances or as a stylish transition from a patio to the main garden. 6. The woodland riverbed path. A fantastic idea for shaded or sloped areas. Irregular flagstones are set into dark, mulched earth, bordered by a dramatic river of smooth, contrasting river rock. This creates a highly textural, rustic, and natural aesthetic, perfect for blending a pathway into a wilder, forested part of your garden. The dark mulch makes the lighter stones and surrounding plants truly pop. 7. The Zen Garden Retreat. This path, set in a dense, verdant landscape, uses small rectangular stepping stones to create a light, delicate feel. The narrow path encourages slow movement, inviting you to take in the surrounding tropical or woodland garden. The path itself seems to float on the grass, gently curving toward a secluded pergola, emphasizing a feeling of discovery and escape. 8. The formal linear paver walk. A structured and manicured look. Long, rectangular concrete pavers are placed horizontally, giving the pathway a clear, directional movement. Flanked by neatly trimmed boxwood hedges, this design introduces a strong sense of symmetry and formality, perfect for leading the eye down a grand axis or between two structured garden beds. 9. The Grand Organic Flagstone Path. This path embraces an expansive, estate-like feel. Large, irregularly shaped flagstones are placed with close spacing, creating a wide, inviting walkway through a vast lawn. The large size of the stones feels substantial and welcoming, making it ideal for the main path leading to a front door or a main garden structure. The natural stone color contrasts beautifully with the lush grass. 10. The Curvy Pebblestone Path. This path uses smaller, rounded, irregular stones to create a charming, winding walkway. It's less about a direct line and more about a meandering journey through a colorful flower bed. The tight placement of the stones creates a highly stable surface, and the soft, organic shapes feel welcoming and playful, inviting you to explore the garden. Stepping stones are a masterclass in subtlety. They show the way without yelling for attention, allowing your beautiful plants and landscape to take center stage. Whether you go for the sleek, structural look of modern concrete slabs or the organic, welcoming feel of natural flagstone with a creeping thyme infill, you're not just building a path, you're defining the flow and personality of your outdoor sanctuary. It's a simple project with a massive payoff, and let's be honest, it makes your yard look instantly more expensive. Which one of these 10 ideas is going into your backyard? Let me know in the comments below. If you found the perfect inspiration for your next landscape project, do me a huge favor. Smash that like button, subscribe to Homes Decor Designs, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss our next deep dive into making your house the best looking home on the block. Thanks for watching and happy stepping!